Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to edit contact poster name in iOS 17. First thing you have to do is open your phone application. And below, you need to go to Contacts. Once on Contacts, you have to select your name on top. Once you select your name, click on Contact Photo and Poster. Click Continue here, and then you're gonna see Name in here. So click your name here, and so you can edit it. Once finished editing, click on Done. You can see the preview in here. Click Done to save it. I think the name for your contact and contact poster is different. So in order to edit your contact name, just click on Edit here on the top right. And to edit your contact poster, click here in the middle section as we did earlier. I hope this video helps you. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you and goodbye.